to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious zucchini patties. They come out amazing. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Amazing zucchini patties. These are the ingredients. I have salt, 1 garlic clove, half an onion, eggs, mozzarella cheese, 2 zucchinis, and vegetable oil. This is everything we need to prepare them at home and enjoy them with our beautiful family. So let's get started. I want to start here first with my 2 zucchinis. And of course, let's go to the sink and let's rinse them through running water. This part is very important. Every time you're gonna cook your veggies, make sure that you rinse them really good. Once this is done, okay, let's start. I'm gonna go ahead and start slicing the edges. We're not gonna use the little edges. And I'm gonna go ahead and slice it through the center. And I'm going to use my food processor, okay? If you don't have your food processor, then you could do it by hand. You could start shredding it. But now I am ready to use this food processor and use this disc. I'm gonna turn it on, and then this makes it so easy and it's so fast to prepare. Remember, when you make these zucchini patties, make sure that you give yourself time, because the zucchini has a lot of liquid, and that's exactly what you don't want on your delicious patties. And here I have a big bowl. I'm gonna add the strainer right here, and I'm gonna start adding the zucchini into the strainer. I'm gonna leave it there for about 2 hours. The reason that I'm leaving it just like that is so that all the liquid that the zucchini has, it's gonna come down and it's gonna drip, because you don't want any liquid in your patties. I have 1 onion here that I'm gonna dice, and I'm gonna dice it very finely. I want the onion to really release the amazing flavor. So that's why I'm dicing it very small. Once you have it like this, I'm gonna go ahead, transfer it to a little plate. And then I'm gonna continue with my garlic clove. I have 1 garlic clove, which I'm gonna dice the same very finely, so it really releases the amazing flavor and the aroma. To tell you the truth, to make these amazing patties, you don't need too many ingredients. It's very easy to prepare. They come out perfect and delicious every time, and I know that once you prepare them, you are really going to fall in love with them. Well, look at this. The onion and the garlic is done, and now I'm gonna start cracking my 5 eggs. To the eggs, I am going to add the salt. Once you add the salt, there is no need to add any more salt, okay? Just add the salt to your eggs, and I'm adding half a tablespoon of salt. I'm gonna go ahead, whisk it really good, and I am going to put it aside. And I wanna show you the zucchini. By this time, already 2 hours have passed, and I wanna show you the zucchinis have already reduced the size, but at the same time, you could see the liquid on the bottom. Look at this. You could really see the liquid in the bottom of the zucchinis. That's exactly what you don't want, okay? You don't want this liquid in your patties, or else you need to be adding all-purpose flour to the zucchini in order to make your patties. If you don't add all-purpose flour, you're gonna add breadcrumbs, and I don't like adding either one. So here, my pan is nice and hot with a little bit of vegetable oil. I am going to add the onion. I'm gonna get it nice and caramelized. Look at this, it's getting nice and caramelized. Don't add too much oil, just add enough so that it gets nice and caramelized. Once you see it like that, it is time to add your diced garlic. You're gonna add your garlic. You're gonna really incorporate it into the onion. Once you start smelling the aroma of the garlic, it's time to remove, okay? Remove it, because this is what is going to give an amazing taste to your patties. Well, here, I'm going to put this aside. All the liquid is behind, and I'm going to start adding all the zucchinis to another plate. Getting everything, okay? And of course, this juice, well, I'm not going to throw it away. I'm going to reserve, and then I'll show you what I'm going to do with it. Well, here, I have all the zucchini nice and dry. It doesn't have any liquid at all. And now I'm going to add the garlic and the onion. I'm going to add it in here. I'm going to incorporate it, making sure that you really incorporate it into the zucchini. Once this is done, you're going to start adding your mozzarella cheese. And of course, be very generous with your mozzarella cheese. Mix it really good. Incorporate it very good into the zucchini. Add the rest. These patties come out amazing, nice and cheesy. The flavor of the zucchini, perfection. Once you have it like that, let me show you and get really close so that you could see the little specks of the onion and the garlic. You could see the little pieces brown. That is what is really going to give the patties an amazing flavor. Don't add the onion or the garlic raw. And here I'm adding the eggs. Remember, the eggs have the salt. So I'm going to go ahead, just incorporate it. Make sure that everything is covered with the egg mixture. Look at this. Okay, once it is covered, you are going to already have a pan nice and hot with vegetable oil on the stove. You want to make sure that that is already nice and hot. You're going to start spooning in your patties. Once you put them in there, don't move them around. Leave them there for at least 2 minutes per side. You want to be very careful. You want to make sure that when you flip them over, they are nice and golden brown from the bottom portion, or else they are going to collapse. Look at this. Be very careful. Flip them over and leave them another 2 minutes. These patties come out amazing. You can enjoy them in so many different ways. Well, here I'm continuing making my patties, and let me show you how they look. They are really golden brown. You could really see the little specks of the zucchini. I mean, this is perfection made at home. I am sure you guys are going to love this recipe. You could add a delicious salad. You decide. But here I am ready to show you what I'm going to do with the juice of the zucchini. I'm adding myself some ice. I'm adding the zucchini juice, and you know I am the queen of the lemonades. If you go to my channel and you go to the playlist, you are going to find so many lemonades that you're going to fall in love with Cooking with Gloria. Well, here I have my juice, and now I'm ready for the presentation. I'll see you in a bit. zucchini patties. And of course, I didn't throw away the juice of the zucchinis. Enjoy it in a delicious and amazing lemonade. Of course, that this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. You could make these amazing patties in tomato sauce. You could combine it with a delicious salad or with rice. You decide with what you want to enjoy this amazing zucchini patty. But here I made white rice with carrot, and this is how I'm going to enjoy these amazing zucchini patties. Let's see how this came out, because this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Excuse me. Very soft, very tender, nice and juicy. Perfection made at home. You really need to enjoy these zucchini patties with your beautiful family. They come out amazing and delicious. And of course, with an amazing zucchini lemonade, who doesn't enjoy this recipe? Salud. I'm telling you, perfection made at home. This is a very delicious and easy recipe to prepare with your beautiful family. I hope you enjoy it. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for always giving me your support. I will stay enjoying these amazing zucchini patties, and of course, enjoying this amazing zucchini lemonade. See you on my next amazing recipe. Like, subscribe, and share, and see you soon. Bye-bye.